Alright, so we have here a PC. An invisible one. Shit, here we go. We'll do a live repair of it, see what we can do. Make some room. Oh, and this is heavy, even without the hard drives in it. So, wrong way around. Oh, shish. Okay. So they said it was idling one day and came to use it, worked, and simply watched the video or something and then turned off. Had to fiddle around to see if they can fix it before bringing it to me. And they said, nah, don't worry about it. Let's just take it to someone else. Okay. Darug Z370 Pro 4. Oh, there's 2 hard drives here. There is an SSD by Samsung with a white sticker on it. Bunch of RAMs. Let's have a look at the behavior and see what's going on. Be quiet, power supply, power on. Any lights, any activities, and nothing. Press the power button, nothing. Okay. It's currently on, but nothing on the power supply. That's the wrong one. Let's have a look at so we're in switch mode. Okay, we don't need that schematics. Have a look in voltage mode. Finally. We're in voltage mode. Can't even tell what color is what. Okay. Let's bring in a generic power supply cable. So it goes in this way. So that one there should be negative. Yep, correct. Okay, so what have we got in terms of voltages? 0.06, the yellow ones. 0.07. And the purple has 5 volts. Okay, we normally short the green one. It's coming from this side, should be the 4th one. Well, the orange one has nothing. Purple or blue, which is second, has 4, 3. Next one should be ground. And the next one is our power button. So it gets jumped over to the other camera. Okay. So here is the power button, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Has 0.05. It's got the power. Power is off. Press the power button a few times. Okay. Recharging up the capacitors maybe. Power on. Here we go. 5 volts. Okay, that's the power button. I'm going to press it and it drops. Interesting. So there's an internal short on the motherboard. Okay. So in this case, most likely the power supply is fine. Let's take the GPU out. Okay. Power button. Yep. Same scenario. Power off. Let's start with the elephant in the room. See you later. Oh, there's only one screw. Okay, interesting. Just checking the visual damages on the power supply of the GPU in diode mode. Let's see what's going on. So no shortage on 12 volt rail of the power supply of the graphic card. Put it on the side. Okay, let's try turning it on now one more time. Remove all the probes. Okay. Power button on. Nothing. Okay. Let's eliminate some of the easiest to identify components. So USB ports, front, and the audio, and power buttons, the fans. Let's get rid of some fans. Okay, that's about it. And this fan too. Okay. Power on. We just got the motherboard on with SATA data cables and the power and audio reset and hard drive activity lights cables are on. Power button, fan spun a little bit. We did see that. Here we go. One more time. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Let's take this guy out to try. I don't think we need to try a different power supply because I doubt that's the problem. But easiest thing we can try. Without going mental. By the way, I don't like that card. That's the TP-Link card there. Okay, there's a TP-Link card there, and I don't like that one. It's usually a sign of problems. Okay, that's in. Now let's try the power cable here on the new power supply. Here we go. Get an overview. Power button. Boom. Any lights, activities, nothing. Out of curiosity, before we turn it on, see if the USB port has an active. Yeah, it's got a 5 volt there. Yep. Try everywhere. So no short on like USB power ports, and power button turns on. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so most likely then a power supply, eh? Let's reconnect some of these components. Okay, and fans. Pretty much everything is connected except the GPU. Okay, turn it on again. All right. All right. It still may not be the case. It could be a problem with these SSDs or hard drives. So what we should do, ideally, somehow, this cable management going to the back. A quick way to test will be take these guys out. Okay, we've taken our power supply out. Okay, let's open up the other side of the tower. Okay, I'm just going to disconnect the SSD and the 2 hard drive power supplies because that's the only other 2 are connected, and that's the only 2 difference. There's also a couple of, what are these, fans? That's okay. There is a power supply for a fan module. We'll disconnect that too. Okay. Basically, we're creating the same scenario as what is on the other power supply I've just tested. Okay. So now we're going to connect back the old power supply. They're all in. There we go, let's try this now. Power is currently off. No, same shit. Okay. We can rule definitely the issue is with the power supply. Or I'll give the quotation. I'll give the quotation to the client, see what they want to do. I'll pause the video for now. Yeah, so that's about it for this. The new power supply should fix it. There's some cable management and happy days. So for now, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.